Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be starting with exercise 3.1, that is chapter number 3. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. Where then also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you. Will be represent this situation algebraically and graphically. See, let the present age of Aftab be x. We have accepted the age of Aftab be x. Got it? The present age of his daughter will be y. Aftab age is x and daughter's age will be y. 7 years ago means 7 years before. So we will just remember, just keep this in mind. When it is ago, we have to subtract. When it is later, we have to add. Got it? 7 years ago. That means age of Aftab will be, it was x, present age, minus 7 will be the age 7 years before. That means x minus 7. The same we have done of the daughters also, y minus 7. According to the question, it is 7 times the age of his daughter. X minus 7 is equal to 7. 7y minus 7, that means 7 is out of the bracket. I have multiplied this 7 to this y along with this 7. 7y minus 49. I have brought this 7y to here. This will become x minus 7y and this plus minus 7 to this side. It will become plus 7. The equation comes out to be x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. The first equation. Now the second one, 3 years from hence. 3 years hence, after 3 years means we have to add x plus 3, y plus 3. Got it? According to question, x plus 3, 3, y plus 3. Again we have multiplied. This will become x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. X minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. We have shifted this 3y to this side and plus 3 to this side. See the equation? X minus 3y is equal to 6. Now, algebraically the equations are x minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and x minus 3y is equal to 6. Got it, everyone? Now, graphically, if we'll talk about the easiest way to make the graph, keep one variable on the left hand side and bring all the things to the right hand side. It can be any variable. I have put it x on the left hand side. Just see the variable who is single, keep on the left hand side. The variable which is with a number, just put into the right hand side. Here x is alone. I have kept it here x only. I have shifted everything to this side. The equation will become x is equal to 7y minus 42. X minus 3y is equal to 6 was the equation. X is alone. I have brought this minus 3y to this side, comes out to be 3y. Make one box. Make one box. Divide into 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Divide from between also. This is x, this is y. This is x, this is y. Make one box. Again I am telling you. Make one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. Or divide them into 2 parts also. Done. Now start putting the value of y. If you put 7y, y is equal to 7. 7 7 is 49. 49 minus 42, 7. Put 6. 7 6 is 42. 42 minus 42, 0. Put y on place of y, put y. 7 5 is 35. What is left? Minus 7. Same way there. Put y is equal to 0. 3 zeros are 0. Remaining will be x. Put y is equal to 1. 6 plus 3 comes out to be 9. Put y is equal to minus 2. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. Plus minus, minus. 6 minus 6, 0. Now just draw them on the graph. I have plotted these points. This is the equation for x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. 7 comma 7. 0 comma 6, y-axis 6 minus 7 comma 5. I've joined the points, straight line is formed. The next, again 3 points we have marked. The equation is here. Got it? Now see question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. Bat X, ball Y. For rupees 3900, that means 3900. Later she buys another bat and 2 more balls of the same kind of rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Now see, let the cost of the bat be X and the cost of the ball be Y. The first equation, 3 bats, 3 into X. 6 balls, 6 into Y. 3x plus 6y cost rupees 3900. Yes or no? Again she buys 1 bat. 1x plus 2y is equal to 1300. Second equation. This is the algebraically form. You can easily make the graph. Just make the graph by your own on the graph paper. If you don't have the graph paper, just make it on the simple notebook only. Don't worry about this. Now comes the third question. They are talking about apple and grapes. Let the apple cost be x and the grapes cost be y. The first equation comes 2x plus y is equal to 160. And the second equation is 4x plus 2y is equal to 300. This is the algebraically form. Got it? Now you can easily make the graph of the same. Just make the graph. Yes or no? In a short duration of time, we will be starting with exercise 3.2. We will be doing only 2 questions. Question number 1, first and second part. That's it. Form the pair of linear equation and find the solution graphically. Again, you have to draw the graph. The first question says, 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. It is given that the number of girls will be 4 more than the number of boys. So let the girls be x and the boys be y. Total number of students were 10. So girls and boys will become x plus y is equal to 10. Now the girls will be 4 more than number of boys. Girls will be x is equal to 4 more than the number of boys. More than means plus. Now 2 equations are there with you. X plus y is equal to 10. Change it into x is equal to 10 minus y. You can bring x also here. Don't worry about that. The second equation is x is equal to 5 plus 4. You can make the graph. I plot the points also. Got it? Just make the graph of these points. Second part is as same as we have done the third part of exercise 3.1. Do it yourself. Complete this. Later on I will be uploading more questions of this chapter. God bless you, all of you.